Sometimes I get asked how I sharpen a serrated knife, so I thought today I would show you. First thing I do is I clamp it. This one, you can see it's worn down, so the teeth are showing. Once I find the right angle, I use a aluminum oxide wheel like this that has a ridge on it. Okay. In order to contour the bevel, I have different sizes depending on the serration. In order to demonstrate the sharpening, I'm going to take a Sharpie, which I'll wipe off afterwards, and I'm going to color in the part that I'm going to sharpen. So it illustrates what I'm doing. Start my machine. Kind of let the stone ride in between. Okay. That's kind of really good. That way you can see where the marker was and where I took it off and how I'm creating new teeth